Remember opening 15 tabs just to answer one question and still not finding what you need? What if I told you there's a better way that even AI newcomers can master in minutes? Hi, I'm Sujita Kurup, and today we are putting Google up against Perplexity AI, a new tool that's quietly changing how people search online. Don't worry if you've never used an AI tool before, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through everything step by step. Let me show you a real problem we all face. Last week, I needed to do some research and I put it in Google. Now, see what happens. Now, with Google, we have a lot of clicking, reading, note taking, trying to verify if the information that I have is actually genuine or it's just ads. But watch what happens when I ask Perplexity the same question in plain, everyday language. See how it's actually gathering information from multiple sources. And it's like, having your own research assistant who reads everything for you, puts it together in a way that it actually makes sense. Just look at that. And it's actually even telling you what are the sources from which it's searching and gathering all the information for you. It even tells you where it's got each piece of information from. So you know it's not just making things up. Perplexity is like having someone hand you exactly the information you need, already organized with sticky notes showing where it all came from. Just look at that. We have the entire information in a comparative analysis table, which compares all the three marketers or competitors together. Just look at that. What's even cooler, you can ask follow up questions right at the end over here. So it's like actually striking up a real conversation, and Perplexity even remembers the context. Try it once, and I promise you'll see why so many people, even AI beginners, are switching over to Perplexity. So, if you've been hesitant to try AI tools, Perplexity is a perfect place to start. It's free, works in your browser, and doesn't require any technical knowledge. If you really like this video, hit subscribe for more beginner friendly tech tips that save your time and make your digital life much easier. Let me know in the comments below what would you want to ask Perplexity first.